Hi, I'm here with the Sammart versus the CleverMade foldable laundry baskets. So they're quite different, these two. I've had the CleverMade for quite some time, but I'll show you in a minute why I replaced that with this Sammart here. This is plastic and that is a canvas. So that's just a little bit of a different approach. This you can fold that in just by pushing down. So it has like these rubberized sections here that you can push down. You have this in different sizes. I think this one is good enough for most laundry cases. And then here the CleverMade. It has been with me for about a year, but then this part here broke. So it doesn't stay up that well anymore. So the way this works is, this is a collapsible system. You click that down. So it's a little bit easier to click that up and down than this one, which is very rigid. So it's quite hard to push that out. Down is a little easier, but out it's just a little bit harder. And this one folds down very, very easily. So I liked it, but after a year of heavy use with our laundry, so large loads here, this one finally gave up. So a year. I would have liked to have seen that last a little longer, but now it's not really usable anymore. So it's a nice system, the CleverMade. I really liked it when I first got it. I even made a video about that as well, but now with this one, I think it's just a lot sturdier the way the system works. So just push that out and this side, and now you have a large laundry basket. So I really recommend this one. Well, I guess I would like to have said a little bit more positive things about this after a year, but it's where we are. So by the Sammart, not the CleverMade.